So let's talk about Braylon. By the way, that was lovely. Did you get a treat for coming up to the board? Coming up to the board is scary. All right, so Braylon's money, he did the math and he figured out that his money is 1050 times the number of hours. That means he makes $10.50 an hour. If he works 1 hour, how much does he make?
10.50.
If he works 2 hours, how much does he make? 21. So what? 10.50 isn't bad for a teenager guy. If you're like a dad and you have wife and kids and stuff, it might not be enough.
Joshua
But
gets like $10.
yeah,
That's
not
just
bad.
Boyle.
Yeah.
I make $25 an hour.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Mowing lawns.
Mowing lawns. Wow.
Lucky.
Okay.
Well, it's not
So Tice put his in a chart. So this is Tice's chart. So that's Braylon, this is Tice. So we have hours. I'm just going to do hours and money. So if he works 0 hours, how much money does he get?
0.
0. I want to work a job where I work 0 hours and get like $1 million. Never going to happen.
That would be a fan.
If he works 3 hours, he gets $34.50. Guys, yes, Nathan.
If somebody had 0 or something and then another person had 1, that's technically over 1 million times more.
No, it's infinitely more.
I mean infinite. I said more than, so.
Yeah. All right, so we have this chart, okay? So the first question is, how much does each person earn? Well, Braylon's easy. How much does Braylon earn?
10.
$10.50 an hour, right? How much does Tice earn?
Not 10.50.
I'm doing the math.
Well, we know he earns $34.50 in 3 hours. So how much does he earn in 1 hour?
That would be
How do we figure that out?
division
Division by what?
by 34.50 cents.
34.
Divided by 3.
$34.50 divided by 3, because he worked 3 hours. So how many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
And then we have a 3, we have a 0. How many times does 3 go into 4?
1.
1. And then we have a 3, we have a 1. How many times does 3 go into 15?
5 times.
5, so we have
It's
15.
11.50.
What? Tice makes $11.50 an hour. His boss is a lying lie face, because he said they made the same, and they don't. Was the manager correct?
No.
Why or why not?
Because 10.50 is less than 11.
10.50 is less than 11.50. Guys, don't trust people who tell lies. That is a red flag
how
to
do
me.
you not wait? Like if you find out they're lying, then yeah, it'll probably like
Then you trust him, and you might want to think about getting a different job. Honestly, like you have to trust your boss. Mr. Larson is my boss, right? He's fantastic. I totally trust him. But if he told me a lie, like I would have a problem with that.
You get $50 an hour. Let me do the math really fast.
I wish I got $50 an hour.
Dude, that would be amazing.
I wish I got paid by the hour and not by the year. I get paid by the year, and I wish, because I put in a lot. I was up till midnight last night making cupcakes for my science class and grading papers till midnight.
You get $350
Oh,
a
that's
day.
How much do you get paid a
You work
year?
7 hours.
I'm not going to answer that. More than 5 and less than $1 million. What's that? She asked me how much I got paid a year.
More than 0 and less than infinite.
All right, guys, real life stuff. So we've got Mitch here. Mitch.
Wait, is this
I am doing number 4 on your assignment for you. I suggest you follow along.
What's number 4?
Number 4 is the fourth one on the assignment.
Number 4 is, it's right after number 3, and it is right before number 5.
What?
Right?
Wait, what? Oh, wait. That makes sense.
we're talking about money, which makes more sense. Okay, so guys, I do this kind of math like every week when I go grocery shopping. I compare, like if I get this thing at Costco, is it cheaper than if I get it on Amazon? Subscribe and save? But then sometimes it's more at Costco, but then Amazon shows up at my door and Costco's 20 minutes away and I have to make these decisions. How much am I paying in gas to go to Costco 20 minutes away? And Amazon comes to me and it's on my door and it's beautiful. So you had to make these decisions. When you're the one spending the money, it's important to be able, this is important math that you are gonna, if you don't do it, it's fine. You just might pay more for a bunch of stuff. And if you pay more for a bunch of stuff, you just have less money and that's sad for you. Or less stuff. Okay. Mitch needs to purchase soft drinks for a staff party. So they're having a party and he's buying the pop. Gideon, give her her eraser back.
No, it's not mine.
Oh, then stop trying to take his eraser. Ashley.
What?
What? Innocent, sweet.
Why do you have white all over your hands?
Because he's been painting.
Okay.
All right, so he's trying to figure out, guys, if it's cheaper to buy the 12-pack or the 20-pack.
I say
Okay? 12-pack is $3.99. And the 20-pack is $5.48. So which one is cheaper? Okay? So we're going to look at the cost for each one. Okay? Because this is the cost for how many? How many do I get for $3.99?
12.
So what's the rate on this? It's $3.99
Basically,
per 12, right?
it's basically $4.
But we're not going to do 4. We're going to do $3.99. Okay? That's why I'm letting you use a calculator. This one is $5.48 for how many? 20. So, remember when I told you that fractions are fancy division problems?
Yeah.
It's true. So I'm going to grab my calculator because I'm going to let you use one this time. How much is it for one pop on the first one? So 3.99 divided by 12 is, so 1 is 0.3325. So basically 33 cents each for the one on top. And for the 20 pack, I have 5.48 divided by 20. 0.274. So it's 27 cents each for the 20 pack. So which one should Mitch buy?
20 pack.
20
The
pack.
20 pack is cheaper. And then the next question, you have to answer the second question in order to answer the first question. It says how much are they each? They're that much each on the first one and that much each on the second one. Yes.
You can't have cents in a 3-digit thing.
Why not?
Okay. So it's a fraction of a cent though. I can't sell you that pop for 0.274 cents. But when you have a lot of them, if you have that, then they're going to add up and you're going to round up. Okay?
So should
So
we
you
just round
actually can have that many digits. I just can't sell it to you for 27.274 cents. I either have to pick, am I going to sell this to Nathan for 0.27 cents? Or am I going to sell this to Nathan for 0.28 cents? But that's how much it costs for each one. When you get a lot of them together, these extra decimal places go away. So here's the thing. What if I buy a vending machine and I put my pop in a vending machine and I charge 50 cents each? Look how much money I'm making. Kind of cool, huh? So much money. Yes, McKinley.
So are we writing the individual cost on number 2? Because on our thing it says, what is the difference in cost between single cans of soda from each?
So the difference in cost, you can write the individual cost and just tell me this one is this one. Or you can write me the difference and say 0.3325 minus 0.2740, because difference means subtract, right? 5 minus 0 is 0. 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 7 is 5. So it's about a 6-cent difference if we round. It's a 6-cent difference if we round. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's 0.058. Whenever you round, you always round at the end of your problem. Marty.
Wouldn't 5 minus 0 be 5?
Yes, it would. You get a piece of candy for catching my mistake. I love it when you guys do that. It's my favorite. Because guess what, guys? I make mistakes. It happens. Everybody makes mistakes when you go too fast.
Don't make mistakes
So
then.
can I tell you guys? Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Then I'm gonna tell you guys a story.